Over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Have your legs been feeling weaker lately? Like they just don't support you the way they used to? Maybe you tire faster while walking, or notice it's harder to stay balanced. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And here's the truth, it's not just aging. New studies show that nature has powerful ways to restore leg strength, improve circulation, calm inflammation, and even boost daily energy, without pills or painful workouts. And among the most effective natural solutions, certain teas, simple, safe, and backed by science. In today's video, you'll discover the top 3 teas every senior should drink to rebuild leg strength, energy, and balance. Each one is carefully chosen and supported by medical research, so you can trust what you're learning. And if you stay with me till the very end, I'll also share one surprising tea ingredient most people have never heard of, but it's proven to supercharge blood flow and reduce muscle fatigue in older adults. So don't skip a second. This could truly help you walk stronger again. Let's get started. Number 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea, the circulation and pain relief powerhouse. A warm cup of ginger turmeric tea can feel like comfort in a mug, but its real power goes far beyond flavor. This simple daily drink can help ease muscle stiffness, reduce swelling, and support blood flow, making it one of the most valuable habits for seniors wanting to stay mobile and strong. If your legs often feel heavy or weak when climbing stairs or walking around the house, this tea could be a game changer. Here's why. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory roots. When combined, they help your body fight the root causes of soreness, stiffness, and fatigue that build up over time. For many older adults, it's not just weak muscles that cause trouble. It's the discomfort and swelling that follow even simple movement. Ginger and turmeric work together to target that issue right at the source. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which help stimulate blood flow. Think of it like giving your legs a fresh supply of oxygen and nutrients every day. Better circulation means faster recovery and stronger, more responsive muscles. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that protects your muscles and joints from wear and tear. Curcumin helps reduce pain, calm inflammation, and protect muscle tissue from breakdown. When your muscles aren't constantly battling inflammation, they can rebuild and strengthen naturally, helping you walk steadier and feel more confident with every step. And here's something many people don't realize. This tea doesn't just help your legs, it also gives you a natural energy boost. Unlike coffee, which can make you jittery, ginger gently stimulates metabolism, helping your body convert food into fuel more efficiently. That means less midday sluggishness and more energy for light activity. Here's how to make it. Add a few slices of fresh ginger and a teaspoon of turmeric, fresh or ground, to hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to improve curcumin absorption. Finish with lemon or honey if you like. That's it. A simple, healing tea that supports your legs, your energy, and your overall well-being. Some people start noticing changes in a few days. For others, it takes a couple of weeks. The key is consistency. 1 cup a day, especially in the morning, can do wonders. In traditional Indian households, this combination has been used for centuries to keep joints flexible and reduce daily aches. Even modern athletes like NBA star Stephen Curry include turmeric in their recovery routines. You don't need to train like a professional athlete. Just make this tea part of your daily ritual. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to support muscle strength and reduce leg pain naturally. Number 2. Ginseng Green Tea, the ultimate energy and strength combo. If your legs start to feel drained halfway through the day, or if simple tasks leave you exhausted, this next tea might be your perfect solution: Ginseng Green Tea. It's a blend of two incredible ingredients, green tea and ginseng root, both proven to enhance muscle endurance, reduce fatigue, and promote lasting energy. Let's look at why it works so well. Ginseng is known as a natural adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress and physical strain. As we age, stress on our muscles and joints increases, even from daily movement. Ginseng supports your body's resilience, making your muscles more efficient and less prone to fatigue. Research shows ginseng helps your muscles use oxygen more effectively. That means your legs get the energy they need, even during light activity like walking or gardening, so you feel stronger for longer. Green tea, on the other hand, provides gentle stimulation and antioxidant support. It's rich in catechins, compounds that protect cells from damage and slow the aging process in muscles and joints. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that keeps your energy stable. No spikes, no crashes. When you combine ginseng with green tea, you get both mental clarity and physical endurance, a rare and powerful combo. This tea can help you stay active longer, feel more balanced, and enjoy daily activities without that dragging, tired feeling. Here's how to make it at home. Boil water, then let it cool slightly. Steep 1 green tea bag for about 3 minutes. Add a few slices of ginseng root or 1/4 teaspoon of ginseng powder. Let it steep another 5 minutes. Sweeten with a bit of honey or add lemon if you prefer. Drink it in the morning or early afternoon for the best results. Studies published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine found that older adults who regularly consumed ginseng showed better lower body strength, improved stamina, and reduced fatigue. And in real life, you'll find countless examples. Even actor Jackie Chan, now in his 70s, credits ginseng tea as part of his wellness routine to stay active and mobile. You don't have to be an action star to enjoy the benefits. Just 1 daily cup of ginseng green tea can gently recharge your body and mind, helping you stay active, alert, and energized through the day. It's more than a drink. It's a steady path toward feeling strong, balanced. Number 3. Ashwagandha Root Tea, the tea of calm strength and restoration. Now let's talk about something truly special: Ashwagandha Root Tea. This isn't just for your legs. It helps your whole body rebuild strength, reduce stress, and recover naturally. Ashwagandha is an ancient adaptogenic herb that helps your body balance hormones, lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and restore energy. For adults over 60, this is vital because stress and poor sleep directly weaken muscle tone, coordination, and energy. Imagine waking up feeling calm, rested, and ready to move. Your legs feel lighter, steadier, and more responsive. That's the kind of transformation many seniors notice after just a few weeks of using ashwagandha. Here's how it helps. When cortisol levels stay high from chronic stress, your body breaks down muscle faster and stores more fat, especially around the belly and legs. Ashwagandha helps reverse that by calming the nervous system and signaling your body that it's safe to repair and rebuild. In several clinical studies, seniors taking ashwagandha daily showed increased leg strength, better balance, and improved endurance. It also supports nerve health, which is crucial for coordination and stability. 2 things many older adults struggle with. And if you have trouble sleeping, this tea can make a real difference. Ashwagandha promotes deep, restful sleep, exactly when your body performs most of its muscle repair. To prepare it, simmer 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in a cup of water for about 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. You can add honey or cinnamon for flavor. It has a mild, earthy taste that pairs beautifully with spices like nutmeg or cardamom. Drink it in the evening for relaxation, or in the morning for calm, steady energy all day long. Holistic wellness experts, including Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for seniors struggling with fatigue and poor recovery. Even celebrities over 60 are turning to adaptogens like ashwagandha to keep their energy balanced and their bodies strong. So if you're looking to restore your calm, confidence, and mobility, ashwagandha tea is one of the best natural choices you can make. So there you have it. 3 powerful teas that can help you feel stronger, steadier, and more energized at any age. Ginger Turmeric Tea for inflammation relief and better circulation. Ginseng Green Tea for muscle strength and lasting stamina. Ashwagandha Root Tea for stress balance, recovery, and overnight repair. They're more than comforting drinks. They're daily habits that can help you rebuild vitality from the inside out. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup of these teas each day, along with gentle movement and a positive mindset, can make a noticeable difference in your strength and energy over time. If this video helped you, or if you're planning to try one of these teas, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. And if you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research-backed health tips made especially for you. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and full of life again, no matter your age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.